Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the surface accept the enamel. Clean thoroughly with degreaser and sand to a dull sheen. That creates mechanical bite. Once done, mask edges and set up ventilation. This keeps overspray and fumes away from you. Stir the quick-dry enamel gently for 2-3 minutes. Avoid shaking because bubbles will ruin the finish. Then load a clean tray or gun and test a small area to confirm flow and sheen before committing to the full panel. You now control film build and drying. If manufacturer allows thinning, mix at roughly 5 parts paint to 1 part reducer or add 10-15% thinner. This improves atomization. Use a spray gun at 6 to 8 inches from the surface, overlapping each pass by about half to avoid stripes. Apply 2 to 3 thin coats rather than 1 heavy coat. Make sure to allow a short flash time of 5 to 10 minutes between coats at room temperature. This prevents runs and promotes a smooth cure. You finish by refining and allowing cure. After the final wet film levels, you can wet sand with 800-1200 grit and polish to boost shine. This smooths dust nibs. Quick dry enamel is surface dry in 15-30 minutes. Handle gently after 1 to 2 hours, and expect a full cure in 24-48 hours depending on temperature. If you see orange peel or runs, stop, sand the affected area smooth, slightly thin the next coat, and reapply multiple thin layers. This corrects texture without wasting paint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.